Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. I wish to thank you for the catalog which you were good enough to post to me recently. Several books listed on page 21 appears to be just what I am looking for. I have marked them on the attached sheets. Although I think that these books should be useful to me in my work, I should like to inspect them to see if they would be satisfactory. May any of the books be sent back to you if, when I have looked at them, I decide that they would not be satisfactory for my purpose.